Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a classic New Zealand meat pie. First, gather your ingredients: 500 grams of good quality beef mince, 1 large onion, 1 cup of beef stock, and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. You will also need 1 sheet of puff pastry and 1 sheet of short crust pastry for the perfect crust. Don't forget 1 egg for an egg wash. Ensure everything is ready before you start cooking. Begin by browning your 500 grams of beef mince in a large pan over medium-high heat until it's nicely colored. Drain any excess fat to prevent a greasy pie. Next, add your finely diced large onion and cook until it becomes soft and translucent, about 5 minutes. Stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, and 1 cup of beef stock. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat, cover, and cook for 20 minutes to allow the flavors to deepen. Once your meat filling has cooled slightly, it is time to assemble your pie. Carefully line a 20-centimeter pie dish with your sheet of short crust pastry, ensuring it extends slightly over the edges. Pour the entire savory meat mixture into the pastry-lined dish, spreading it evenly. Then, place the sheet of puff pastry over the top. Trim any excess pastry, crimping the edges together firmly to create a good seal. Make a few small vents in the top for steam to escape. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Before baking, whisk 1 egg and brush it generously over the top of your assembled pie. This will give it that beautiful golden, glossy finish. Place the pie in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 30 to 35 minutes. The pie is ready when the pastry is puffed, golden brown, and wonderfully flaky. Keep an eye on it to prevent overbrowning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.